Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Friday, October 12th, 2018. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In honors math, there is no homework. In regular math, first, third, and fourth period, you do not have homework, but you were given an assignment that was due at the end of your Warrior time today. So hopefully you did get that in. If not, you need to submit that right away Monday for a late grade. In science, social studies, and language arts, there is no homework. In literature, all of our AR points are going to be due 1 week from this upcoming Monday. Make sure you are spending time reading over the weekend. We just have a few short days left, before all the points are due. Taking a look at the next couple of weeks, next Thursday is an early release day. We will be out of school an hour early. And then next Friday, students, you do not have school as we have a professional development day for the teachers. 2 weeks from today, October 26th, will be the end of the first quarter. And hard to believe that we're almost 25% of the way done with the 2018-19 school year. That's it for today. Everyone have a great weekend and go Warriors.